स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video that is all about the important notification with respect to the cap round. So those who appeared for the MH Law CET 5 years 2020, for those CET cell releases the notification and that is about the schedule of activity regarding the cap round process. So let's have a look on it. And in case the candidate who scored very less marks in 2020 MH Law CET or those who want a preparation for MH Law CET 2021, then batches are launched here. There is still hope. If you have scored less mark and you want to enter into the top college, then counterattack in 2021. As the cap round process will be carried out till the 24th Feb 2021 and as the MH Law CET will be held in April, then just a matter of 1 or 2 months. So guys, those who were not given the CET 2020 or those who scored the less mark or those who want to give the MH Law CET 2021, then for enrollment call on 8828581455. So friends, now we are on official website of CET Cell, that is cetcelladmissions.mahaIT.org. So scroll down, just come to the Law 5 years. Then here it is announcement list showing that schedule activity for Law 5 years has been published. So it is regarding all the tentative schedule for Law 5 years cap round process, the display of approved information brochure already published. The second one, the cap process form filling will be start from the 9th of December to the 15th of December. And you can also upload the documents, so the e-scrutiny centers will verify it. The next date from 9th of December to 26th of December is for all the foreign nationals and NRI or OCI. Thereafter, as often, the provisional merit list will be made and that will be shown on the 21st December. So the cap first round will be start on 31st of December. Then welcome to New Year. And all after the process, second round will be start from the 25th of January 2021. And this year only 2 rounds will be there. The third round will be the institutional level round. So friends, overall process will take up to 24th of Feb 2021. So to know each and every detail about the cap round, what exactly the stages involved in the cap, so you can enroll for the cap round program. And tentatively the MH Law CET 2021 can be held in the month of April. So if you have scored less mark, so you can prepare for 2021 as the batches are launched. So call on 8828581455 or visit manuedu.com/lawentrance. And you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.